Today we are baking well-seasoned, moist, and juicy fall off the bone turkey wings. Hello friends, this is Owusu's Kitchen. You are so welcome. Some of the ingredients that I'll be using are blended up onions, garlic, ginger, and pepper. And this is my green seasoning mix, which is linked down below. If you don't have this, you can substitute with green peppers. I washed the wings very well and removed any hair on them. And now I have just gone in with the onion blend followed by smoked paprika. Yes, my friends, we need that smoky flavor with this turkey. This is chicken seasoning. And like the rest, I'll spread them across the surface of the turkey so it is evenly distributed. Next to go with this beautiful collection of spices are some thyme and rosemary, and this will be followed by some salt to taste. I have used both wet and dry ingredients. This is because I love to have lots of moisture or vapor during the baking process. So the wet ingredients will help to produce that much liquid or vapor to help tenderize it. So friends, I'm going to go in there to massage the turkey wings, to rub the seasoning on well to make sure that every part is covered. Yeah, and then we would proceed. The one that got away, we almost forgot about the black pepper, so I'll go ahead and put it at this stage. The fresh ginger, garlic, onions, and scotch bonnet together with these dry spices are giving out such a nice aroma already. Imagine when it is cooked. There is nothing more frustrating than a turkey that tastes bland on the inside. This is not happening with this. For that reason, friends, I'm going to leave it in my fridge for about 1 hour. If you have time on your hand, leave it for even longer because the longer you wait, the better it tastes. And when it comes back, we have a couple of things to add to it before it goes in the oven. This is going to taste so great, I promise, for that special occasion, for Christmas, birthdays, Thanksgiving, or just any day, anytime when you simply just want a nice tasting turkey wings. Have you subscribed though, my darling, to this channel? Go ahead, please. Kindly subscribe with your notification bell on to receive all future uploads, because of course it's always a pleasure to have you here. Okay, so as you can see, I'm just adding some onions on top to sit on top and drizzle it sweet juices. I just love to cook with onions. It simply makes everything taste better. And here I'm just going in with some Maggi liquid seasoning, I think it is. Yes, but this is totally optional. And I have some fresh basil here to add on to it, which pairs wonderfully with chicken. And I must say this recipe works amazingly well with chicken as well. It doesn't have to be just turkey. And when that is said and done, I'll finish it up with some butter. Not much, but we need it to sit on the top and melt down the turkey, creating that rich, buttery, creamy flavor with the gravy. Olive oil or coconut oil are great alternatives as well. And my darling, I cannot stress how important it is to cover your turkey with foil before you put it in the oven, at least for the first 50 minutes or so. This is because we want all the flavors, the steam to get trapped in there to soften up the meat so that it does not dry up. I will now put it in my preheated oven. And this is what we have after baking for about 50 minutes. So juicy. The stock did not dry up, okay? So I'll go ahead and baste the turkey with the stock or gravy to keep the top moist as well. And it's going back to finish cooking. But my kitchen right now, it smells so good. But then this time, it is going without the foil. It is going in there for that nice brown color. And ta-da! It is ready. Look at that. Is this looking gorgeous or simply delicious? Yes, and wait until you see the inside. I'm going to open the inside. It is so moist and juicy. I'm telling you, it simply falls off the bone. And there is even enough gravy left to go around the table. I'm going to serve mine with some jollof rice and vegetables. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at this. It is so good. Take a look at this. The fork slides through easily. And this is what I'm talking about when I said we want it moist, juicy, and fall off the bone. This is Owusu's Kitchen. If you are a subscriber, thank you so much. And I hope to see you in my next video. But until then, take care and stay safe. Bye-bye.